India is steadily moving forward on the path of development, taking strides toward prosperity in every direction. The true strength behind this progress lies in our Annadatas, our farmers. Every field reflects the identity of an Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India. The vision is not only to see the farmer as a food provider but also as a key partner in nation building. Under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, several initiatives have been undertaken toward the goal of Developed India 2047. As a result, for the first time in the past decade, the agricultural sector has recorded an annual growth rate of 4.5%, making it stronger, more self-reliant, and prosperous. Building on this momentum, the Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana is being launched. Through the coordination of various schemes and an investment of 24,000 crore rupees, this initiative will focus on 100 aspirational agricultural districts that have lower productivity. It will address challenges such as inadequate storage, lack of irrigation, and limited access to credit. By promoting quality seeds, modern mechanization, crop diversification, and water-efficient irrigation, the scheme will ensure better and safer yields for farmers. Agricultural empowerment in a developed India is not only about economic growth but also about nutritional security. To achieve this, the Pulses Self-Reliance Mission is being launched to make India self-sufficient in pulse production. Under this mission, an investment of about 11,500 crore rupees will be made over 6 years to expand the cultivation of pulse crops across the country. The government will ensure 100% procurement of arhar, urad, and masoor pulses from registered farmers at MSP, minimum support price. This mission marks another historic step toward Atmanirbhar Bharat. However, true self-reliance comes not only from productivity but also from organization. In this spirit, the government has strengthened the framework of farmer-producer organizations, FPOs. Today, under central schemes, over 10,000 FPOs are active across the country, connecting more than 5 million farmers. Among them, 1,100 FPOs have achieved an annual turnover exceeding 1 crore rupees, earning the distinction of Crorepati FPOs. Agricultural progress, however, is not only about increasing production but also about preserving the earth and nature. Moving in this direction, the Natural Farming Mission promotes farming practices that conserve soil, save water, and protect the environment. Over 100,000 farmers across the nation have already been certified under this mission. To make all these efforts sustainable, strong agricultural infrastructure is essential, a goal being realized through the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund, AIF. This fund has provided farmers with new security. In just the past year, 42,000 projects have been completed with an investment of 10,000 crore rupees. To date, projects worth 1 lakh rupees crore have been approved. Modern warehouse, cold storage units, and processing facilities, from seed to market, are making agriculture more organized and resilient. Alongside agriculture, rapid progress is also being made in animal husbandry, dairy, and fisheries. Under the National Dairy Development Programme and the Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Fund, several centers of excellence, laboratories, and training centers have been established to enhance livestock breeding and milk production. Similarly, under the Fisheries Infrastructure Fund and Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, the Fisheries Department is developing modern fish markets, smart and integrated fishing harbors, and 34 fish production and processing clusters across India. The Department of Cooperation has also played a vital role in accelerating these efforts. Under the vision of Sahkar Se Samriddhi, prosperity through cooperation, the Ministry of Cooperation, along with states and union territories, has transformed primary agricultural credit societies, PACs, into Jan Seva Kendras and PM Kisan Samriddhi Kendras. These centers ensure that farmers receive all essential services at one location. The aim of all these initiatives is to connect farmers, livestock owners, and fishermen into a unified chain of development and to establish India as a self-reliant and developed nation. On this historic occasion, The Honorable Prime Minister is inaugurating agricultural projects worth 42,000 crore rupees for the farmers of India. These include the launch of the PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana and the Pulses Self-Reliance Mission, along with the inauguration and foundation laying of more than 1,100 projects across agriculture, animal husbandry, fisheries, and food processing sectors. The Honorable Prime Minister will also recognize and honor key achievements made for the welfare of the farmers.